Well, welcome to what is apparently becoming an ongoing series of how to fix a Kenmore Elite washing machine. This time I have an F21 error code SUDS, it says, and have determined definitely that it is the pump that needs replacing. Fortunately, this time we're only going to need two tools, a 1/4 inch nut driver and a pair of pliers to replace it. First, we have to take off the 3 screws that are holding this panel on the bottom. Next, I think it's obvious, or maybe it's not obvious, but I've turned the power off to the machine. But this little clip to the power to the motor. By the way, this is the sump motor right here, and this is the whole sump assembly that we're going to replace. So remove the power. First, I'm going to open this up. I know this is empty because I've emptied it already, but you're going to want to open this up. This is a filter. You're going to want to open this up, and you're probably going to get water pouring out of here. So be ready for that. Next, we are going to remove the 2 clamps. The hose came off with that one, but usually you slide the clamp back. Okay, I lied. You need 3 tools. Flathead screwdriver comes in handy here. And this rubber gasket on the bottom has to be pried up a little bit to allow, and then you take the whole assembly and you push it that way. And the assembly comes out. Okay, now we just reverse the process with the new one. And that's it. Everything should be good.